What is happening, guys? Birdman 316 here. Here we are again with another one. The next day they came and got the Grote Les Paul Special 2 clone, but I was kind of afraid to order the same color because you don't never know. They might send the same broken one back. You don't ever know. But we will revisit that again in the future. I'll probably order a different color. Probably order the butterscotch TV yellow color or something like that, just to make sure they don't accidentally send the wrong one back that's already broken. So I found this one on Amazon here. They're blowing these out at like $100. Come with a bag and a goodie bag. I'll show you all that on the tabletop. Chitter chatter and stuff like that. This is mostly stock with the exception of the switch tip. I don't like the top hat. Never did. The barrel tip's okay, but it's better than the top hat. But this right here is a Strat switch tip, which I like the best. This is a gearit, like G-E-A-R-I-T, just like what it says on the headstock right there. Here you go. You get a good, well, the tabletop chit chat will be better because I'll actually have some measurements and whatnot. This comes with a soap bar P90 on the neck and a humbucker on the bridge, which is, you see that? All factory, all stock. Coil split. I'm going to show you something the other reviewers will not show you. But we will check the neck first, just to get a few little tones here. That's on clean channel. We're going to flip over to the bridge now, all humbucker. Full humbucker, no coil split. Here we go. Okay. Normally in the middle of a Telecaster, Les Paul, whatever you got, anything with a single, there's two pickups in there, right? You only have three selector switch. Three-way selector, okay. In the middle you're supposed to get a chirp sound. Now, I did not go under this scratch plate at all. This is what happened. You notice it has a different tone. That's because somewhere, someone in the factory must have maybe installed a magnet in either this one backwards or that one backwards, or maybe wired it accidentally backwards, so that when you have both together, you have that goose honk that sounds like a goose, out of phase tone, kind of like what Peter Green had with his Les Paul. So this one was a oopsie, a factory oopsie. But hey, to me, okay. Back to the bridge position again. We're going to pull the push pull out. Now check this out. This is what guys do not show you. None of the channels show you. Okay, I'm going to put it back in for now. Check this out. Okay, you got that one's on. So is that one. Okay. Now, which coil is left on? Well, it's not this one. See, a simple tap test takes every bit of what? Just a couple seconds. Some of us would like to know which coil is still on once you pull this knob out. In this case, it's the front coil that's on, and it cuts off the back coil. Now let's hear this thing in single coil mode, still and clean. Not bad at all. Now what we're going to do is going to step on the sweet cream. Still on the single coil mode, which is this front coil here. Now we're going to push that all the way in, full humbucker mode. Seems like it drives the amp pretty nicely. We're going to skip all the way to the neck pickup now. Nice and dirty. Now we are in the middle position, both full humbucker mode. Let's check something out right quickly. Now we're on single coil mode with this one. Something is not right here. I made an adjustment to the pickup height and all that stuff. Something is out of adjustment. I'll have to check into that. But anyway, the only thing I did to this thing was I checked the neck relief, and it has just a little bit. It was really, really straight. Got just a little bit of a tick down, which is good. And I did make an arch on these saddles here. I made a little adjustment on the pickups. I put the Stratocaster switch tip on here because I don't like the barrel tip. Is I can tolerate it, but I do not like that top head. I'm sorry to tell you guys. If you're a tele guy and you love the top head, I'm sorry. I like this one best. But anyway, I put an arch in these saddles here to guess the radius. I'm not sure of the radius. I need to get some of those radius measuring tools and whatnot. But I will have to look into these saddles a little bit more. Something got out of adjustment somehow. It's all good though. I will fix it, no problem. This one is a nice guitar, guys. It looks like the neck is a roasted maple or a caramel neck or something like that. And the color is surf green. They also have a black one. They also have a sunburst model of this. I just wanted this because surf guitar, right? Now the F hole. Some funny smelling wood there. Smell it too much, it might turn to a woodpecker, but anyway. Guys, that is the sound samples of this one. And I will get back with you with a tabletop chit chat and whatnot. And I'll also look into adjusting these saddles a little bit better than they are. But anyway, guys, this is Birdman 316 here. I want everyone to have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. Always remember, keep rocking. Make the world a better place, guys. Sayonara.